Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. Welcome to our YouTube channel Class 10 Maths and Science. As you know, we were discussing about the unit 1, that is arithmetic progression in maths, and we already completed exercise 1.1 and we started exercise 1.2. Today we are going to continue with that exercise, that is question number 2. We plan to complete 10 questions of this exercise. So let us start today's class. So the first question means second question. We already completed first question and it is there in our YouTube channel. You can go through. Now today we are continuing with the second question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 is. So what is given? There is one AP, okay, and the first term of the AP is 10, isn't it? And D we don't know, we have to find out D. So how to find out? A2 minus A1. A2 is how much here? 7, isn't it? So I'll write here A2 is 7. So 7 minus 10, answer is minus 3. D is minus 3. Now their question is we have to find out a 30th term. So we don't know, and n is how much? 30th position, which means 30. N is 30. Now what we have to write? We have to write the formula. What is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. An is how much? We don't know. That is a30 is equal to a value is how much? 10 plus n is how much? 30 minus 1 into D. D value is how much? Minus 3. Now 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. Now we have to multiply. 29 into 3 is how much? 3 9s are 27, 2 remains, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 7 and 8, 87, isn't it? And it will be minus 87. Why? Because minus 3 is there. So 10 plus minus 87, plus and minus become minus. 10 minus 87, that is A30, which means A30 is equal to minus 77. So option C is the correct answer. Answer is A30, that is minus 77. I hope this much you understood. So we'll continue with the second question, second sub question of second main. So 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus half comma 2 is dash. Okay, now we have to find out the 11th term of that 11th term. Now we'll write a term, first term, that is minus 3, and we'll write a2, how much it is? Minus half. Now what we have to find? We have to find a D value, common difference. How to find out common difference? A2 minus A1, that is minus half minus minus 3. Now what happens here? Minus minus become plus. So I'll write in the next step minus half plus 3 by 1. Isn't it? The 3 is in the whole number. So we have to write that in a fraction form. So when we take the LCM will be 2. 2 how much are 2? 1s are. So minus 1. And here plus 1 how much are 2? 2s are. So multiply into 2. 3 2s are how much? 6. So minus 1 plus 6 by 2. Minus and plus becomes what? Whenever minus and plus is there, we have to subtract and we have to put the bigger number sign. So answer will be 5 by 2. D value is how much? 5 by 2. Now what we have to find out? We have to write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. An is, okay, before that I didn't write a1. An is nothing but a 11th term, isn't it? A 11th term, and n value is 11. We don't know a 11th term is how much, and n value is how much? 11th term. So an is a11 is equal to a value is how much? Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 into D value, that is 5 by 2. Now what happens? Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 3, isn't it? Bracket refers what? Into multiplication. Now 2 ones are 2, 2s are 10. So what happens here? Minus 3 plus 2 5s are, we have to multiply here, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 10. So subtract. Okay, wait. Okay, here one mistake is there. See, I wrote mistake, means 5 5s are, right? 5 5s are 10. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. So 5 5s are how much? 25 here. It should be 25 here, not 10. Okay, 25. Now what happens? Subtract 3 from 25. Answer is 22 because it is plus 22. Bigger number is 25 and it is having a positive sign. So A11th term is 22, which means B is the correct option. Okay, next one, that is the third question. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. So in between, see, there is a AP is given and in between some terms are missing. We have to find it out. So here A1 first term of the AP is given. How much it is? 2. And A2 is not given, isn't it? So we cannot find out D also here. And A3 is given. A3 is how much? 26. Now by using A3 and by using the formula of AN, we can find out D here. Now how to find out it? Like we know AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, isn't it? Now we are writing the formula for A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1, isn't it? Sorry, not 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 into D, isn't it? A3 value is how much? 26 is equal to A value is how much? A value is 2 here, plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into D. Okay, D value we don't know, so we have to write as it is D. Now what happens? This plus 2 goes here. So 26 minus 2 is equal to 2D. 26 minus 2 is 24 is equal to 2D. 24 divided by 2 is equal to D. This 2 comes down. Okay, this is in the form of multiplication. When we transfer it, it becomes division. So 2 ones are 2, 12s are. D value is 12. Now we got the D value. Now we need to find out A2. How to find out A2 is nothing but A plus D, isn't it? A plus D. A value is 2 plus 12. Answer is 14. Answer is 14. A2 is 14. Now next one of same question, next question, that is sub question, second sub question. So we don't know A1 here. Okay, A2 is given 13 and A3 also we don't know, and A4 is given, it is 3. Now same way like how we did in the previous question, we have to write the formula for that. So for now here we have to write the formula for A2 and A4. Okay, so I'll write A2, that can be written as A plus D, isn't it? A plus D, that is 32 is equal to A plus D, isn't it? A plus 1D. Okay, this is equation 1. Now for fourth question or fourth term, I'll write for fourth term, we can write as A4 is equal to A plus 3D, isn't it? Fourth term is 3 is equal to A plus 3 into D. We don't know, right? So this can be our second equation. Now what we have to write? We can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So I'll write here subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 I'll write here. Okay, equation 2 first we have to write. So that is A4 3 is equal to A plus 3D, and we are subtracting equation 1. How much it is? 13 is equal to A plus D. Now whenever we subtract, here sign changes. Okay, the second equation whichever we are writing, no, we have to change the sign of it. So plus a minus a get cancelled. Okay, 3 minus 13, answer is minus 10, is equal to 3 minus d. How much it is? 3. Out of 3 we have to subtract 1, so 2d, and minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to d. Answer is d is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Okay, now what we have to find out? We need to find out a1 and a3 we need to find out, isn't it? a1 and a3. So a1 we can substitute in any one of the equation. Okay, in any one of the equation. So right, substitute the value of d in equation 1, which is the equation 1, that is 13 is equal to a plus d. 13 is equal to a value I don't know, and d value is minus 5. Now I'll transfer this minus 5 to left hand side, so it become plus 5 is equal to a. A value is how much? 13 plus 5 is 18. So a value we got. Now we have to find out a3. a3 can be written as a plus 2d, isn't it? A3 can be written as what? A plus 2d. So a is 18 plus 2 into d value is minus 5. So 18 minus 10. 2 5s are 10. So how much? A2 value is minus, sorry, yeah, 8, not minus 8, 8. A2 is 8 we got. So sorry, not A2, right? A3 as minus, A3 as 8 we got, not minus 8, 8. So this is about A3. Okay, A1 and A3 we got. Okay, next question, that is third one. Here also second term is not given and third term is not given. Fourth term is given. So we have to write A1 is 5. Okay, and how we can write the equation? Okay, A1 we know, and A4 is 9 and half. When we convert that into, see, mixed fraction is there. When we convert that into improper fraction, it become 19 by 2. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay, so now fourth term, if we write the formula, so how we can write? A4 is equal to a plus 3d. A4 is how much? 19 by 2. A value we know 5 plus 3d. Okay, so what happens? This 5 comes here, isn't it? Left hand side. 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 3d. So here we have to take the LCM. So LCM will be 2. How much are this 2? How's are like 19 only, isn't it? Here 19. 2 ones are 2. So we have to multiply into 1. And 1, how much are 2? 2s are. So multiply 5 into 2, that is minus 10. How much you'll get? 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2 you get, isn't it? So this is about the d value. No, not d value. 3d is there here. So this 3 comes down. So 9 by 2 into 3 is equal to d. 3 ones are 3 3s are. D value is 3 by 2. This is d value. Now we have to find out a2, isn't it? A2. For A2, I'll write, for A2, you can write A2 as A plus D. A is how much? 5 plus D. D value is 3 by 2. Again, you have to take the LCM 2 and 1, how much are 2? 2s are. So multiply into 2. 10 plus 3, answer is 13 by 2. and now we have to find out a3, isn't it? We can write as a plus 2d. That is, a is how much? 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 5 plus 3 is how much? Answer is 8. So third value is, or the third term is 8. So this is about the third question. Next, about the fourth question. So even here a1 is given, a4, okay, and this is a2, and this is a3, this is a4, and this is a5, and a6 is given. So a6 is how much? It is 6 only. So for a6, we have to write the formula now. a6 is equal to a plus 5d, isn't it? 6 is equal to, a value is how much? Substitute the value of a and a6. So minus 4 plus 5d. Now minus 4 goes that side, so it becomes plus 4 is equal to 5d, and here 10 is equal to 5d, and this 5 comes down. 10 by 5 is equal to d, which means d value is 2. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Okay, after this what we have to find out? a2 value we have to find out, isn't it? a2 can be written as a plus d. A value is how much? Minus 4. D value is how much? Plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. We have to subtract and bigger number sign. Now a3 can be written as a plus 2d also can write, or else we can write as a2 plus d, isn't it? a2 plus d also we can write. Okay, we'll do that. a2 plus d. a2 is minus 2, d is plus 2. Answer is 0 here. Okay, and a4th term, how we can find out? a3 plus d. a3 value is 0 plus d value is 2. Answer is 2 here. Okay, now after that what we have to find out? a5 we have to find out. a5 can be written as a4 plus d. a4 value is 2 plus 2. Answer is 4. So this is a4. So this is about the AP. Okay, if I want, therefore AP is minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, and 4, and 6. So this is about the AP of the fourth one. Now next, fifth one. So here a1 is not given. Okay, I'll write here a1, this is a2, and a3, a4, a5, and a6 is given. So a1 we don't know, a2 we know how much it is, 38, and a6 also we know how much it is, minus 22. Now what we have to write? We have to write the formula for that. So for second term, how we can write? a2 can be written as a plus d. Minus 22 is equal to a plus d. So this is the equation 1. Next, for sixth term, like how we can write the sixth term? a6 is equal to a plus 5d. So a6 value we know, minus 22 is equal to a plus 5d. So this is the equation 2. Now what we can do? We can subtract. And one more thing, I did a mistake here. The second term is not 22, it is 38, right? 38 here. 38. Okay. Now what we can do? We can subtract equation 1 from equation 2, isn't it? You write subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, equation 2 we have to write first. So minus 22 is equal to a plus 5d, and equation 1 we have to write now. 38 is equal to a plus d. Now subtraction, so sign changes here. So plus a minus a get cancelled. Minus 22 minus 38. What we have to do? We have to add and bigger number sign. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 remain, and 3 and 6 here. Minus 60 is equal to 5 minus 1 is how much? 4d. So minus 60 divided by 4 is equal to D, isn't it? This 4 comes to the left hand side and it become division. So 4 ones are 4 ones are 2 remains and 5s are, isn't it? Answer is minus 15. D value is how much? Minus 15. Okay, so this is about the D value. Now what we have to find out? A value we have to find out, isn't it? A value. How to find out A value? Substitute D value in any one of the equations. So I'll write substitute D value in equation 1. So which is our equation? So 38 is equal to A plus D, isn't it? So 38 is equal to A minus 15. Now what happens to this minus 15? Whenever it goes to left hand side, it changes its sign. So it become 38 plus 15 is equal to A. 38 plus 15 is how much? 8 plus 5 is how much? 13, isn't it? 3 here and 1 4 plus 1 5, it's 53. A value is 53 here. Now what we have to find out? A3, A4, A5 we have to find out. So for A3 can be written as A2 plus D. A2 value is how much? 38. 38 plus D. D value is how much? Minus 15. Minus 15. So I write minus 15. 38 minus 15. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 23. Next, A4. A4 can be written as A3 plus D. A3 is 23 minus 15. Now 23 minus 15, how much? We cannot subtract 3 minus 5, isn't it? We have to borrow 1 from 2 and here 1 remains. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is how much? 8 here, isn't it? 8. Answer is 8. Okay, next A5 we have to find out. A5 can be written as A4 plus D. A4 is 8 minus 15. So 15 minus 8 is how much? 7, right? Minus 7, because we are subtracting bigger number from the smaller number. Answer will be minus 7. Minus 7. So therefore we can write the AP now. Therefore AP will be so how much? A value is how much? 53 and 38. Then A3 is 23 and 8 minus 7 minus 22. It goes on, isn't it? So that is about the last question of that. Next, fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Now, here they have given about the AP. AP will write A1 is given how much? 3. And D value we have to find out A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 minus 3 is 5. We got the D value. Now, AN is given. AN is how much? 78. But which term it is? We don't know. So, we have to find out N here. Now, same way, like we have to write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, AN is how much here? 78. That is equal to A value. A value is already given 3 plus N is how much? We don't know. So, we'll write N minus 1 itself. And D value is 5. Now, we have to transfer this 3 to the left hand side. So, it becomes minus 3. 78 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. So, 78 minus 3 is how much? 75 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. So, this 5 goes down because as it is in the form of multiplication, whenever we transfer that multiplication or that form to other side, it becomes division. So, 75 by 5 is equal to N minus 1. Now, what we have to do? 5 ones are 5, 2 remains 25, 15s are. So, 15 is equal to N minus 1. This minus 1 goes to the left hand side. 15 plus 1 is equal to N. n is equal to 16. So therefore 78 is 16th term. 8 is 16th term of the AP. So that is about the question number 4. Next is question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following. So here AP is given, but how many terms are there we need to find out. A is given here. A1 is 7. D we don't know, we have to find out. A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is how much? 6, right? So D is 6. Now AN is given, last term of the AP is given, that is 205. Okay, and N we don't know, we need to find out. So we'll write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is how much? 205 is equal to A value is how much? 7 plus N we don't know, N minus 1. D value is how much? 6 here, isn't it? Okay. Now we need to transfer this 7 to other side, so it become minus 7. So 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So 205 minus 7 is how much? So subtract 5 from 205 to 200, isn't it? 200 and again minus 2, it is 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So now this transfer this 6 to the other side, so it become division. Now 1s are how much are 6 3s are 6 are 18 and 1 remain, again 18 3s are, isn't it? So now what we got? 33 is equal to n minus 1. This minus 1 goes to other side. 33 plus 1 is equal to n, which means 34. N value is how much? 34. What we have to write? Therefore 205 is 34th term of AP. Okay, that is about the fifth main first one. Next, same way, A is given. A is given how much? 8. D value we need to find out. It is 31, isn't it? 31 by 2 minus 8 by 1. So 2 here, and here 31 and 1. How much the 2s are, isn't it? 16. So how much? 15 by 2 we get, isn't it? 15 by 2 we get. Okay. Now last AN is given here, that is minus 47. Minus 47. Okay. So I did one. One more thing. Wait. I did a mistake here. That is nothing but, wait 1 second, here it is not 8, it is 18. Okay, it is 18. So A1 is 18. Okay, D value is minus, wait, no confusion, I'll make it proper. A1 is 18. Okay, A1 is 18 and A2 is 15. 1 by 2 is there, no? We'll convert this. 30 plus 1, 31 by 2. Now D value we need to find out. I'll write down only. So D value we need to find out, that is A2 minus A1. A2 is how much? 31 by 2 minus 8 here. So the LCM will be 2 and here 31 and 1, how much the 2 2s are, isn't it? Okay, here 18. So here 2s are 36, isn't it? 31 minus 36 is how much? 5 minus 5 by 2. D value how much we got? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, now D value we got, it is minus 5 by 2. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out 47 is which term, isn't it? Now, and here I'll write, okay, I'll write here, an is minus 47 and n we don't know. Okay, so we need to find out that. So we'll write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is how much? Minus 47. A is how much? 18 plus n we don't know, we need to find out it, and d value minus 5 by 2. Now minus 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now what happens? Minus 47 and minus 18 we need to add, isn't it? 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. 1 remains and 5 6. So 65 is equal to minus n minus is equal to n minus 1 into 5 by 2. This goes down, isn't it? Whenever it goes down, the numerator goes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator. So minus 65 into 2 divided by minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, how much are 1s are here and 3s are 32, 2s are how much? 26. So n minus 1 is equal to 36. 26. 26 plus 1 is equal to n, that means 27. So I'll write the answer here. Therefore minus 47 is 27th term of the AP. 27th term of the AP. So this is about second question. Okay, next one, sixth one. So check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Okay, A is given here, it is 11. A2 is given 8. We need to find out D, that is A2 minus A1, isn't it? A2 is how much? 8 minus 11. So how much? Minus 3 minus 3 we get here. So minus 3. D value is minus 3. Now what we have to find out? Whether an is equal to minus 150. Whether 150 is a term of the particular AP. We need to check. So we'll write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Where an is there we have to write minus 150 is equal to a value. A value is 11 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1. D value minus 3. Now plus 11 goes to that side, it becomes minus 11. That is n minus 1 minus 3. So it becomes minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now what we have to do? So this 3 goes down, isn't it? Or else before that we can do like this. Minus 161 is equal to minus 3n minus plus 3. I'll transfer plus 3 to other side. So minus 161 plus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Okay, so how much we get? Minus 161 minus 3. Okay, sorry, plus 3. We have to subtract 3 from 161. How much we'll get? 60, 99, 98 isn't, 58. 58 is equal to minus 3n. Now minus 158 divided by minus 3 is equal to n. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 ones are how much are? 3 5s are and n 8 2s are 2 remains 6 are. So we are getting 52.66 something. And the position cannot be a decimal form, isn't it? Whenever we talk about the position, it will be in the form of first place, second place, third place, like that, not about the decimal form, isn't it? So we have to write, therefore minus 150 is not a term of an AP. Okay, that is sixth one. Okay, next we'll go to seventh one. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is. Okay, 11th term is given 38 and 16th term is given 73. Now what we have to write, like how we did the previous one, like second question and all we did, no, same way here we have to find out the formula for that. Okay, for a 11th, A11, we need to write the formula for that, right? Okay, A value we don't know, plus 10 D value, so this is equation 1. Okay, next for A16, that is A16 is equal to A plus 15D, so 73 is equal to A plus 15D, so this is equation 2. Now what we have to do, okay, next what we have to do, subtract, isn't it? Subtract equation 1 from 2, so we'll write subtract. So 3 minus 8 we can't, isn't it? So we have to borrow 1 from 7. So 13 minus 8. How much we'll get? 5, right? 5 here. And 6 minus 3, 3. And that is equal to 15 minus 10 is 5D. Now 35 by 5 is equal to D. How much we are getting? 7. D value is 7. Now we need to find out A. Okay. So substitute D value in equation 1. So equation 1, which is the equation 1, 38 is equal to A plus 10 into 7. So 38 is equal to A plus 70. Then what we have to find out? 70 to this side, isn't it? So 38 minus 70 is equal to A, is equal to A. So subtract 38 from 70. How much you'll get? 38 minus 70. Okay, do it fast. How much you'll get? 38 minus 70. Okay, how much you'll get? Minus 32 is equal to A. Now what we have to do, we need to find out 31st term, isn't it? So for 31st term, A31 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A31 we don't know, we know, that is minus 32 plus 30 minus 1 is 31 minus 1 is 30 into D value is 7. So minus 32 plus 210, isn't it? So 32 minus 210, when you subtract 32 from 210, how much you'll get? 78. So A31 is 178. So this is about the 7th question. Okay, next 8th question. 2 more are there. We'll do it fast. So AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term A3 is given, it is 12, and last term means A50th term is 106. Now find A29. How much? Okay, we'll write the formula for that. for A3 we can write as A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which means 12 is equal to A plus 2D. So this is equation 1. Next, for A50 we can write directly. I'll write directly. 106 is equal to A plus 49D, isn't it? So that is equation 2. Next, what we have to do? Subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, equation 1 from 2. So we'll write equation 2 first. So 106 is equal to A plus 49D and 12 is equal to A plus 2D. Whenever we subtract, what happens? Sign changes here. Plus A minus A get cancelled. And here how much? 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1 comes here, 94 is equal to 49 minus 2 is 47D. Now 47 transfer this side, so 94 by 47 is equal to D. 47 ones are 47 twos are, so D value is 2 we got. Next, what we have to do? Substitute in equation 1. Substitute D value in equation 1. So 12 is equal to A plus 2 into D. D value is 2. So 12 is equal to A plus 4 and this plus 4 goes that side. So it become minus here. A value is how much? 8. Okay, now we need to find out 29th term. So A29 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 8 is plus n. 29 minus 1 into D value is 2. So 8 plus 28 into 2. So 28 into 2 is how much? 16 here. 1 remain. 2 2s are 4. 56. 56 plus 8. How much? 60? 64. So A 29th term is 64. Okay, this is about the 8th question. Next is about the 9th question. If third and 9th term of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? So A3 is given how much? 4, and A4 is given minus 8, and n is equal to 0, and we need to find out the n, which term it was, isn't it? So for A3 we'll write the formula. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That means 4 is equal to A plus 2D. This is equation 1. For A9 we can write as minus 8 is equal to A plus 8D. So this is equation 2. Next, what we have to do? Subtract equation 1 from 2. So we'll write the equation 2 first. Minus 8 is equal to A plus 8D and 4 is equal to A plus 2D. Whenever we subtract, what happens? Sign changes here. And minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 is equal to plus A minus A get cancelled. 8 minus 2 is 6D. So minus 12 by 6 is equal to D, which means answer is minus 2. D value we got as minus 2. Now what we have to do? Substitute in equation 1. Okay, substitute D value in equation 1. So which is our equation 1? 4 is equal to A plus 2 into D minus 2. So 4 is equal to A minus 4, not 8. 2 into 2 is 4 and minus. Now this minus 4 goes that side. So 4 plus 4 is equal to A, which means A value is 8. Now we need to find out n value. So we'll write the an formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 0 here. A is 8 here. and n minus 1 we don't know. D value is how much? Minus 2. So minus 8 goes that side, right? Plus 8 goes that side, so it become minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 divided by minus 2. So minus 2 goes that side, minus 8 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So I'll write in red color last, don't confuse. 4 is equal to n minus 1. This minus 1 goes that side, which means 4 plus 1 is equal to n, which means n is equal to fifth term. So n, that a0 is there, no? So that is the fifth term of the AP. So that was the 9th question and the last question now. Then afterwards we are going to stop this. Okay, a 17th term of the AP, A17, okay, AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Just we have to find the common difference of this. Okay, so for A17th we have to write the formula, that is A17th is equal to A plus 16D, isn't it? And for A10, how we can write? For A10 we can write as A10 is equal to A plus 9D, isn't it? Now what is the, according, this is the equation is there, no? Equation 1 I'll consider. So where the A17th and A10 values are there, no, we have to substitute in this. I'll do here. A17 is A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Okay, so A and A from the left hand side and right hand side with the same sign, if it is there, it get cancelled. So A got cancelled. Now 16D is equal to 9D plus 7. I'll transfer this 9 to that side. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7, no? 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 by 7. Answer is 1. So answer D value is 1. They asked to find the D value, means common difference, that was 1. Okay, I hope this much you understood. If you have any doubt, please go through the video once again. And if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.